I'm here in the Miami Design District, and I've spotted this industrious woman walking around with this poster. Tell us who you are and what you're doing.
So my name is Mia, better known as your favorite sugar baby lifestyle coach on social media.
This is your Instagram?
Yes. And well, you know, Miami's getting a little expensive. I looked at on a yacht. I decided to take marketing in person and let people know what I'm down for. I love money and rich men.
Have you lived on a yacht before?
I haven't lived on a yacht, but I think I've lived my best life on a yacht.
Are you worried that maybe this will work and then it won't turn out the way that you thought that it was going to? For example, if you don't like living on a yacht.
Well, listen, you can either cry in a Honda Civic or you can cry in a Rolls Royce. You're gonna cry regardless. So I picked the Rolls Royce.
Is this your first day doing this?
Absolutely not. We've been doing this for 2 years.
How has it been going for you?
Exceptional, amazing. I think my pages will speak for itself.
And last thing, is there anything that you want our viewers to do?
To go find a rich husband, baby. Life's a bitch, marry rich.
Thank you.